Hey everybody, this is Joe back with another demo tutorial video. Today's video is more of a quick tip where I will be focusing on how to turn on the network settings within the GeoVision VMS software and also the GeoVision AI Guard software. So the network settings allow you to be able to remotely view your cameras, whether it be on the GeoVision mobile app, GVI, or on the remote desktop program, which is called GV Edge Recording Manager. This is a program that can be loaded on a Windows-based machine or a Mac machine and allow you to remotely view your cameras. But in order to be able to view your cameras from both of these locations, you do have to go into the VMS or the AI Guard software and turn on the network services, which allow you to be able to remotely view. So I'm currently logged into a VMS system right now, and this particular machine already has the network services turned on. But I'm going to go ahead and turn them off and then show you how that you can turn them on when you're doing a first-time installation. So as you see when I come in here, there's some check marks next to some of these services. So I'm just going to go ahead and uncheck these and allow us to start from scratch. I'll stop my service here. Yes. Webcam server is now off. The mobile service is off. And then control center server is the other one that's important. I'll go ahead and hit stop all service. So now we have this set up as a simulation as if this was a brand new install. And what you would do would just be to come in here to the toolbar button and you have a network tab. You click this and the first one that you want to enable is called Webcam Server. So you will go ahead and click on Webcam Server and the default port here is the port 80. When you first log into the VMS, this section that I just highlighted is going to show 80. If you don't want to use port 80, you do have the opportunity to go ahead and change that port to whatever you desire it to be for the HTTP port. So in our case, we're using port 8181 on this machine. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and then it will put the Webcam Server network service in place. Right after that, we're going to come right back to the same section, and we're going to hit Mobile Service. Now, the default port for the mobile service is port 56,000. Again, you can edit that if you want to. And then you will hit Start, and that will start your mobile service. Now, the last one that you want to do would be to go back into your toolbar, Network, and then hover over Control Center Server, and you want to just hit Start All Service. By doing this, it's going to allow you to remotely view on the Edge Recording Manager desktop program. The full list of ports that you would need to forward on your router, and again, these are the default ports, would be port 80, port 56,000. Those are the two that are used for the mobile app. And then in addition to that, you would use port 5552, 5611, and 3388. Those are the default ports that you will need to open to be able to remotely view from both the mobile application and also the remote desktop program Edge Recording Manager. Now, lastly, whenever you first set this up, the VMS or the AI Guard, there is a way to make those services automatically start when the software starts. So let's say, for example, you lost power on your machine, but then the system came back up and the VMS started. There is a way to go ahead and make those network services launch, and I want to show how to get to that now. So again, you go to your toolbar. This time you're going to go to the icon here that is a gear, and you're going to go to System Configure and then Startup. Now, once you do this, you're going to get a window that pops up here. We already have these checked on this particular setup, but over here on the right under the Network section, you're just going to put a check mark next to Webcam Server, Mobile Service, and Control Center Server. And as a bonus, I recommend enabling these two services right here. Auto monitoring, this makes it to where if the software starts up, it will automatically start recording. And then auto run when Windows starts. This is a good one, again, because if the system loses power and then powers back up, as soon as Windows launches, it's going to go ahead and launch the VMS for you, and then all of your services that you have enabled right here will be started. This has been a quick demo tutorial video on how to set up the network services within the GeoVision VMS and AI Guard software. For further information on our product line, please check us out at www.geovision.com.tw/US. Thanks a lot for watching.